Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. If you're new here, my name is Becky Stars, and this channel is all about my life and lifestyle videos. Today, we are going to be talking about vision boards. I will show you a little bit later on in the video a vision board that I made, but first, let's talk about what is a vision board. So, a vision board is just what it sounds like. It's a board of visual things you can do. I've done several types of vision boards. I've done vision boards with pictures on them, just pictures. I've done vision boards with a mixture of pictures and words, and then I've done vision boards with just words. It's all up to your preference and how you want to do it. Let me show you the images that I printed out for my current vision board. None of these have manifested yet. This is brand new. So this is the things that I'm looking to attract into my life within the next few months or the next 6 months, let's say. So the first thing is I want to move to Charlotte, North Carolina. So I have a picture of Charlotte on my vision board. The next thing I want to manifest is this Michael Kors bag. That seems probably the easiest one for me to manifest. I want to be more active and work out more. This isn't really like a measurable goal, but this is something that I want to put on my vision board so that I can look at it every day and just be active, or be reminded to be active. And the last thing that I want to manifest is a white 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Obviously, this is a picture of a 2022 Tucson, but the 2023s haven't come out yet. So that is the last thing that I'm putting on my vision board today. A vision board works because for several reasons. One, it kind of falls under the law of attraction, which is you put it out into the universe and you increase your vibrations so that you are aligned with the things that you want in your life. But on another level, you put your vision board in a place that you're going to see it every single day. It kind of reminds your subconscious that those are the things that you are working towards. So without further ado, let's jump into how I made my vision board. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like the video if you like what you see here. There will be videos similar to this in the future along the lines of the law of attraction and manifestation. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Becky Undercover. I do post there pretty regularly. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.